In this video, I am going to show you how to delete pins on Pinterest. 1. Launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device and navigate to your profile. 2. Once you're on your profile, go to your boards and choose specific board from which you want to delete pins. Within the selected board, locate and tap on the Organize option. Review the pins within the board and select the ones you wish to delete. You can tap on each pin to select. After selecting the pins you want to remove, look for the trash can icon or similar delete options. Tap on it to initiate the deletion process. Pinterest may prompt you to confirm the deletion. If prompted, confirm your action by tapping on delete or a similar confirmation button. Once confirmed, the selected pins will be permanently deleted from the board and you'll no longer see them within the board or your profile. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,